Hi, Rachel this side from Efficient Manufacturing Magazine reporting from India Mobile Congress 2025. And today I have Rajiv Sir with me from Intel. Hi, sir.
Hi.
How are you, sir?
Okay, so it's a collaborated stall that we have with Intel. So I'm from Wind River. So I take
Okay.
care of Wind River as an organization for the India, Southeast Asia, and Australia and New Zealand region.
Right. So, sir, can you brief us about your company basically?
Yes. So Wind River is a 44-year-old company, and the inception was more from the embedded world. So we are, we have a huge reference base when it comes to the embedded systems and embedded world. In fact, the real-time operating system that we have has almost like a 40-45% market share globally. So we are number one when it comes to the real-time operating system commercial distribution that we have. And apart from that, we have a lot many other portfolios like embedded Linux, and we have hypervisors solution. We also have simulation solutions which we provide to our customers. Plus, more of right now, what we are demonstrating here is our Wind River Cloud platform, and that's one of the new avatars in our company, and that is something which we are pretty proud of because there's a lot of investment that has gone into this. There are a lot of new USPs that we have come up with, and how we are better than the others in the global marketplace today. So we are already getting a lot of traction. So we have a huge customer base already when it comes to the Wind River Cloud platform, and intention of being here is to expand our business in India, to meet up with as many customers as possible, to also grow our partner ecosystem. That is what we are actually doing right now since last 3-4 months. And as I said, we already have a lot of traction in the market, and we are on a winning spree when it comes to our Wind River Cloud platform. So that's one solution. And second is we have recently also come up with the open source Debian-based Linux distribution by the name ELXR Pro, and that is something also we are marketing right now into in IMC in the market as well. Yeah.
So, what are the products you're highlighting at this event?
So as of now, it's primarily two because this event is more centric to one, the telecom, and second, the enterprise world. So the two products that fit pretty well in these two sectors is our Wind River Cloud platform, which I just talked about, and globally, as I said, we have if you talk about all the tier one companies who have moved on to the ORAN or the vRAN technologies, they are right now going ahead with the Wind River Cloud platform stack, and that is also something what we are pursuing in India as well. And the second is ELXR, which I just talked about. That's a Linux distribution that we have. So these are the two products which we are focusing on right now.
So in what all international markets are you dealing, and in what ways?
We are spread across almost in 24 countries, all across, and with primarily, if you have to divide how we operate regionally, it is in 4 different regions. So one is, of course, US, that is one entity, then EMEA. The third is the APAC, and fourth is China. We keep it separate because of our initiative, which is China for China. So these are the 4 regions we are segregated in, and all across within these 4 regions, we have presence in almost like 24 countries.
Right, that's great. So what are your plans to expand the offerings of your company, basically the products in India?
Now for India, see, already, as I said, so since last 44 years, we have been working. So I'm very proud to say that most of the defense organizations already use our products. So the DRDO's labs, which you are aware of. So we have very prominent name when it comes to aerospace and defense. So be it all the aircrafts that you can think of, Airbus, Lockheed Martin, you can talk about the Thales. All are these which are using our solutions, and also, as I said, on the DRDO front, every or most of the projects where they need a mission critical solutions, they are using our products today. And now going forward, what we are planning to do is more positioning the Wind River Cloud platform as well as the ELXR Pro.
Right.
I think we need to a little bit hurry up. So
Thank
my
you, sir.
customers are waiting for
Right,
that.
that's great. Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing your time with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.